Okay guys, ready to connect our topology to the Zabbix server? Yes. Come here and add a NAT network. Okay. And connect this to our router. Yeah, this. And come here on R5. On R5 interface ATH0/1 no shot IP address of DHCP. Do show IP interface brief. Do show IP route. Yeah. Let me do something. No IP address DHCP and shut down this interface, and from this R5 from R5 let me delete the default route. Do show IP route. Delete this default route. Do show run section IP route. No IP route point to 1135 to 3. Instead of this IP route to here, from here to show IP interface brief 11 or do show run /24 1110/24 IP route 1114. Come here 14.0 with this subnet. Give him to 1135.3, the tunnel hour up again, and now do show IP interface brief. Yes. Do show IP route and interface Ethernet of 0/1 IP address DHCP and no shutdown. Okay guys, come here and open MobiXterm and connect to this Zabbix server with username and password. Yeah, systemctl status of Zabbix server, it's running IP/R. We have to add cron tab-3 vi etc cron. Yeah, let me add a static route here. IP route. Do show IP route. Yeah. No guys, it must be the NAT network from the desktop, not in the VMware workstation. Delete this and come here, from here to here, and from the R5 shut this interface and again no shot, and come here, IP route history, grep IP route. We do not have this history, grep IP route, history, grep IP route. Yeah, we have this here. Come here and copy this. Only I want to add a static route from the Zabbix server in the Zabbix server, and I want to save the Zabbix server. If you want to see this subnet, which is the Zabbix proxy, I mean Zabbix proxy in this located in this subnet 192.168.60.0 192.168.60.0/24. Give him to the to show IP route, to show IP interface brief on ether 0/1. Give him to this, give him to this router. Okay, IPR, you can see this 192.168.60 here, and we can ping the Zabbix proxy. Okay guys, yeah, we can SSH into it too. 60/100, yes, with this password. Yeah, okay, it is the Ubuntu cloud IPR. You can see the IP address. Okay guys, come here and on Zabbix proxy, on the Zabbix proxy, I want config the Zabbix proxy to send data to the Zabbix server. Here and here, open this Firefox 192.168.96 of 150. This is Zabbix admin with the password Zabbix. Okay, on data collection or on administration proxies, you can see we do not have any proxy yet, but I want to add one proxy. Which proxy? This proxy. Come here on the proxy, host name ctl set host name Zabbix proxy. Change the host name of this device. Open sudo host name ctl set host name Zabbix proxy. Okay guys, vim etc hosts run another bash to apply the changing the host name. Go to etc Zabbix and zabbixproxy.conf. Here, proxy mode can be passive or active mode, which we described previous. Okay, we highly recommend config the Zabbix proxy in active mode. Okay guys, always config the proxy in active mode. Here, this is the Zabbix server IP address. This is the Zabbix server IP. This is the read-only file. Let me go to the root sudo tc Zabbix zabbixproxy.conf. Let me, okay, proxy mode. By default, proxy mode is 0. 0 means say guys, let me open it with nano Zabbix proxy.conf. 0 means active mode. Yes, you can uncomment this. I will uncomment it. And here, this is the Zabbix server IP address 192.168.90.150. Okay, 96 150. Let me ping from this Zabbix proxy to the 96 150, which is the Zabbix server. We can see the connection is okay. And come here. This is the Zabbix server IP address. This is the host name. I will change this to Zabbix proxy. And one last config, which is the DB data. I rarely use nano. Yeah, this option. I will save it to var.zabbixproxy.db. Okay, this is the SQLite. So it will create for us a file and write the data into this file. Vim and ls/var. We can see nothing here. Let me change it to another. Okay, let it be here. Let's restart the Zabbix proxy. Wow. Job operation journal ctl-u or tail-f var log zabbix proxy.log. Unable to open the database. Cannot open the database. Maybe it's not maybe Zabbix proxy does not have permission to create the file on that directory. So I will change the path. Zabbix proxy and go down, find the DB name. I will change the var to temp and systemctl restart of Zabbix proxy. Yes, we have to ensure with this command, which is the Zabbix proxy is active and running, and here create a proxy, Zabbix proxy, and this is the proxy address 60.96.100. Guys, this is not necessary. I will clean it. This is the description. This is my first Zabbix proxy located in Shiraz. Okay guys, proxy mode is active. When the proxy mode is passive, the IP address is required. Okay, but in our case is active. It's configured in active mode, so we do not need set the proxy address here. I only add here and only wait a few seconds For the proxy, send data to this Zabbix. You can see this. Last seen is 2 seconds ago. The Zabbix proxy version is 177.0.16. You can admit it here. Zabbix proxy-v. The proxy version is here. Okay? Alright guys. Next, come here. On web server. I mean this. I want to config this server to send data to the Zabbix proxy. vim etc Zabbix Agent.conf and change this to the Zabbix proxy IP address 16 to 100. This is to change to web srv. Yeah. Okay guys. And server active now. Okay guys, all is good, and restart the systemctl. We do not have systemctl here. Service Zabbix agent to restart. Starting again. Okay, and come here, capture this link. We have to see the Zabbix packet, some Zabbix packet, OSPF. Wait a little. Wait a little. Status is running. Ping of 192.168.60.100, 60.100, 50 and 60. Okay, let me close this Wireshark and here too, and capture this section again. Restart the Zabbix agent. Yeah, you can see from this direction, I mean this direction, send data to this direction. Let me find my digital pen. I said from this direction, send data over this tunnel to this Zabbix proxy. But we do not configure the Zabbix proxy to accept this data. Come here to the Zabbix. On the host, create host, web srv. The template is Linux by Zabbix Agent, operating system, and Linux by Zabbix Agent. Linux by Zabbix Agent in active mode. Host group is Linux server. This is active mode, but do not click here. Monitored by which proxy? Select the Zabbix proxy and add. If you have more Zabbix proxy, you can select the appropriate Zabbix proxy. Okay, and add it. Cannot inherit item agent system with the Linux by Zabbix Agent. Oh yes, add and wait a little. You can see here. Wait a little. Yeah. Okay. The data was sent from 60 to 70, and here you can see the availability is okay and monitored by Zabbix proxy. Okay guys, now we can configure this device and this device to send the data to this Zabbix proxy. Let me configure it on R4 SNMP server, SNMP server community iman only read only. Okay, and on R5 SNMP server community iman RO. Come here and here create host router 4. Router 4, the template is network device and Cisco iOS by SNMP. Host group is net devices monitored by this proxy, and add SNMP agent here. SNMP agent is wrong. SNMP. This is the IP address of this router to show IP interface brief. I want to use this IP address. No. This IP address, which is the tunnel IP address. Tunnel IP address. I mean this. Come here and add here. The community is Iman. Add and click here and clone it. R5, and this is the IP address of R5, and this. Wait a little, guys. Okay guys, please wait a moment for the data to be received in Zabbix. Yeah guys, you can see the availability icon is green. Okay, and you can hear and net device and apply. You can see the data received by Zabbix. Allow a short time for Zabbix to receive the data. Wait. Okay guys, and this is the Zabbix proxy. It's very simple. Now you can add a lot of Zabbix proxy in your network. If you have a multiple site, I highly recommend use a Zabbix proxy for each of your sites. Okay, use one Zabbix proxy per site. Send all of the data from device, from application, from web server, from blah blah, everything to this Zabbix proxy, I mean the Zabbix proxy for a specific dat site. And from the Zabbix proxy, send the data to the Zabbix server. If we wait a moment, data received by Zabbix, but I want to stop this section. In the next section, I want to talk about I don't know, more advanced Zabbix topics like discovery, network discovery, and security between Zabbix server and Zabbix proxy with pre-shared key, or enable PSCOP between these two server. I mean, on proxy, when add here on encryption tab, we can use the PSCOP. We done it in future section, so be patient. Alright guys, thank you for watching this section. See you, have fun.